Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So I am going to discuss about overcoming hopelessness. Hopelessness is a feeling that can be far more destructive than facing defeat and failure. When you are out there trying to accomplish your goals and you fail to achieve them, as long as you still have hope and faith that you will eventually reach your goals, you will keep pressing on. When you feel hopeless, that's when you are in danger of just giving up on your dreams. Let's take a look at this specific feeling and what you can do to overcome it. One of the main reasons why people fail to achieve their goals is because of obstacles. If you think about it though, what is a goal without obstacles? Is getting up and getting a drink of water hard for you? Of course not. That's why it's not considered a goal. When you attempt to accomplish something where there is a chance of failure, you are pursuing something worthwhile. As long as you believe that the goal is within your reach, you will have a chance. Feelings of hopelessness will usually come when you have experienced defeat after defeat. After failing so many times, it can be easy to feel as if there is no point in continuing. What's the use if you are going to end up failing again? You can sit around and feel sorry for your hopeless dreams, or you can stand up and say, so what? So what if you don't achieve your goals the first for 100th time you try? If you want to achieve your goals, then your approach must be about doing until. How long will you get up and try again? Until you accomplish your goal. Hopelessness is just another word for giving up or surrendering. You feel like there is no point or no use in continuing, so why bother? Well, you need to understand that many of the greatest successes and accomplishments in life came after the point where having hope was easy. It's easy to be hopeful when you are first starting out to pursue your dreams. It's still easy even if you are met with your first couple of challenges and obstacles. It's when you meet your 10th one or your 25th one or your 100th one that having hope starts to get difficult. It's during this time where you must not lose hope because you will be so close. Being hopeful means to have faith. Having faith means that you know things will turn out well, even if you have not evidence that it will. If you know of at least one person, living or dead, who has accomplished the goals that you have set out to accomplish, then you can use them to strengthen your resolve and your faith that if it's possible for someone, then it's possible for you. Hopelessness is easy. Anyone can feel that way. It's the people who will keep going, who will never allow themselves to lose hope, are the people who achieve their goals and dreams in life.